find some clothes out, you know?
Yeah, I got a record my God. I did that with my Ring doorbell because I connected it through my other doorbell and I didn't turn the thing off. I just felt a little, when I was putting the little wires on it, and I was like, oh.
No, this one got me good. This one was good. But the good news is the oven then worked when I put it back together.
Okay.
Wow. For about 2 hours. Then the same thing happened. It started making noises. It all lit up again, and that same error message is now displayed on the oven. So I have no oven. So the wife is still, she's already texted me this morning, please call someone, don't do it again, because she's at the office today. I'm going to attack this thing. I'm going round 2 when I get home.
Just call somebody who knows what they're doing.
So when Betty doesn't show up tomorrow, we know what happened.
Unplug it today.
Please be sober when you're doing it.
Yeah. Of an
I
accident.
feel you. Like, listen, I can do.
Could you imagine at my funeral?
He was a good man. He forgot to unplug the oven.
Listen, I could do most of those things that I probably wouldn't do them, but I could do most of those things your other mentioned. I could probably hang a TV, although I didn't do mine. I could definitely replace a shower head. I think I've done that before, so I could do that.
Standard.
I could caulk a shower. I know I can do that.
Hold on. Yeah.
I know I can do that.
Am I talking? It took some research.
Don't look at my face.
I've done the research. I started that research in my 20s.
And he's never stopped. Anyway, it got me thinking, what's your worst at-home injury? What were you doing and what happened? Because I know people listening can for sure stop my electrocution.
Oh, I know what happened to me.
All right, don't tell me yet.
Okay.
We'll get to this in about 15 minutes. But hit us up. Text us, call us. Your worst at-home injury. I already see one text coming in. Somebody have a hole in their thumb, but we'll get to that. Let's get into the Big Money Minute. That is coming up here in 5 minutes. The first round of it, $1,000 on the line. Hang on, we'll do it next.
But I'm cold every season. You ain't got that pipe. Cutting the whole team dead body. Looking nice. I got cake and I know he wanna slice. I guess you push the pool, try to put me on ice. I ain't never had a chase in my life. I like that nasty, that freaky stuff. Let one of my bitty keep painting up that head. Slick girl, eat me up. Give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we I'll drive and you just lay back. I got the flavor of less. Yeah, the sweetest pie. I might take you home with us. I might give you all of it. Come get your dose of the sweetest pie. Ooh, the story of your life. Hold on, 'cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. You got me hung up from across the room. I'm so high that I'm on another altitude. Got a taste for you. Hey. Bounce it out, pick it up, put it down. When I put his nutty buddy in my fudge round. Like that, he ain't had it like this. So I'm feeling like they're throwing gang signs on crib. One thing about me, I ain't taking no. He will. I know it's I've been so Caesar, Milan. I got a train. Sorry, let us out. Know who really running things. You've never been to heaven, have you? It's the ride of your life. Hold on, 'cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we can go fast. I'll drive and you just lay back. I got the flavor of less. Yeah, the sweetest pie. I might take you home with us. I might
Ashley in San Jose. Good morning. Happy Friday, Junior Ashley.
Hi, good morning.
Well, actually, it says you're a clerk in the emergency room. What does that mean?
I do like registration, so when patients come in, I like register them and take their copay. People for money. That's all.
Okay.
Okay,
But the emergency room is like the scariest part. That's when people like Benny who try to do home improvement, they get electrocuted, and then they get rushed in there.
Yeah, no, I don't have my insurance card on me. I need to see a doctor.
I made it. Yeah.
Isn't it horrifying to work there?
No, I like.
It's fun. Oh, what? You got a gunshot wound? Okay.
Well, that's interesting. I know you're bleeding, but I still need your money. Yeah, no, seriously. No, seriously.
Well, Ashley, let's see if we can give you some money. $1,000 could be yours in the next 60 seconds if you answer these 10 questions correctly. Are you ready?
Okay. Yeah, just
All right.
a little nervous, but yeah, I'm ready.
Good luck. Here we go, Ashley.
Ready, set, go.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
What type of sea creature is calamari?
Squid.
What is 9 times 5 plus 30?
70.
Name the athletic brand Steph Curry may soon have a $1 billion deal with.
Under Armour.
How long are quarters in an NFL game?
4.
Adam Levine is the lead singer of what band? Famous for his plug-in.
George Foreman.
If you were born September 22nd, 1990,
31.
which of the 50 U.S. states is first alphabetically?
Not great at working here.
Alabama.
On a standard keyboard, which letter is between the A and D keys?
B.
Actually, that's hard. I wouldn't know that.
Oh my God.
Let's run through them. Here we go. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. Squid, calamari, 95,
I
9.
know it's
I'm gonna give you that one. Check. You got that one. Under Armour is the company that Steph Curry may soon have a $1 billion deal with. We asked for how long each quarter was. You gave us how many quarters are in an NFL game. That's 4. That's correct. But they're 15. Levine is the lead singer of Maroon 5. George Foreman Grill. You're 31 years old. You did math really quickly there. Alabama is first alphabetically, and it's S that's in between A and D.
Oh my God, and it's funny because my name is Ash. I type that all the time.
Well, Ashley, no money, but it was so nice to meet you. Thanks for listening, and have a great day and weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Coming back with your 7:30 Dirty, Inside Your Dirty. Of course, another 4-pack of tickets to the Disneyland Resort. But first, we're talking your worst at-home injury. What were you doing? What happened? Can you top my electrocution story? I still feel it this morning, I swear. Anyway.
Bell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
In 99.7 now has your things are returning to both Disney California Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Beanish Family Fun. October 31st.
And you won't want to miss the celebration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1 park per day Disneyland Resort tickets. Offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice. Cool for the sound. Returns live on Stories 2022. The Masonic, September 27th. For VIP packages and more, visit DemiLovato.com. Apple season is here at Whole Foods Market. Get organic Fuji and Gala apples for $2.49 a pound through September 27th, while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Promotion varies by location type. See. Are you ready for your palm reading, my dear? Yeah, let's do this. I sense that you crave something more reliable. And want out of a relationship. Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. You're who now? My big name wireless
best carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. Now I get unlimited with 5G for $30 per month on the most reliable 5G network.
Let's talk. Alright, so.
And get this, they can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill over T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon.
Wow, that's actually really impressive.
Yep, but didn't you?
Oh yeah, I definitely saw this coming.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Switch today. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5G pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Most reliable base. For Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
Everything. Our farm shop. It really all started when we discovered the benefits of local raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. Plus, we get same-day deposits at no extra cost. For us, it's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc. Subsidiaries of JP Morgan.
Absolutely love my dog, but the constant shedding, not so much. But then I got a Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, and it is amazing. These super thick cloths pick up a crazy amount. Just look at all that. And that was from just one swipe. And the best part? Sweeper's so much easier to maneuver than a broom or a vacuum, easily getting around chairs and under the couch. You're right. Now I can focus on you, not your shedding. Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, because shed happens.
Dancing crew, trip for 2, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. Boosters designed for COVID-19 variants are now available. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster appointment as soon as you're eligible. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates. You might deliver a lot of hay. ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/.
They hype you up in the morning. It's like 7 a.m. They're there, like, having fun, and I love it.
On 99.7 now.